Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve another beginner-friendly lead code problem, monotonic array. So this is the lead code problem number 896. So in this video, we'll understand what the problem is asking, what exactly a monotonic array means, different ways to think about the solution, step-by-step dry run, and finally implement the optimized solution in CPP language. So this problem is great for understanding arrays, comparisons, Boolean logic, and interview style problem solving. So let's get started. So first, let's understand the problem statement carefully. So here we are given an array is monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. An array nums is monotone increasing if for all I this is monotone decreasing for all some. So given an integer array, now return true if the given array is monotonic or false otherwise. So uh, we are given an integer array called nums. So we need to return true if the array is monotonic, otherwise false. Now the big question is, what is a monotonic array? So a monotonic array is either completely increasing or completely decreasing array. Uh, mm, an array is increasing if nums of I is greater than equals to nums of I plus 1. If this condition is true for all the elements, then then it can be called a completely increasing array. And an array is decreasing if if nums of I is less than equals to nums of I plus 1. So these are the two main logic that we are going to use in this question. So here equal values are allowed. As you can see in the example, equal values are allowed. So this is known as monotonic decreasing and this is known as monotonic increasing. So now let's think logically. Like we have two possibilities, either increasing or either decreasing. So why not check both? So we can use two Boolean variables here. We'll use two Boolean variables here. First one to check whether it's increasing and other one to check whether to check if it's decreasing. So let's understand this more perfectly through this example. So in this example, we'll start from the zeroth index. So 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than or equals to 2. Like nums equals to 1, 2, 2, 3. So here 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than equals to 2 and 2 is less than 3. Oh, my bad. The sign should be okay. Yes. So this is the basic logic. Like we'll compare adjacent values. So as we all can see that all the elements here are in increasing order. So this is mono monotonic increasing. So we'll return true. You will better understand this in while coding in code. So we'll simply start by writing the code. So first we will declare first two Boolean values. Two, two, four, and minus that times minus plus 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 minus of I is greater than of I plus 1. So this increasing becomes false. And if nonce of I is less than nonce of I plus 1, then it is decreasing becomes false. And we will here simply return is increasing or is decreasing. So let's check whether if it is correct or not. Okay. Um, we have a spelling error. Okay, now let's check. As you can see, guys, my solution is accepted for all the examples. Now let's submit it and check if it is valid for all test cases. As you can see, guys, our solution is accepted. So now let's understand the code step by step. So initially, is increasing equals to true and is decreasing equals to true. Then we are traversing a for loop, and we are the first condition says if nums of I is greater, if the current element is greater than the next element, the is increasing variable becomes false. And another conditions check if the current element is less than the next element, then the decreasing variable becomes false. So so if either one survives, like if this one survives or either this one survives, we'll get the monotonic array. So at last, if any of this condition will be true, it will return true. Or if not any one of these condition will be correct, it will return false. That means it won't be an mono- monotonic array. Okay. So now we will now let's analyze complexity. Like here we have traversed the array only once, so time complexity becomes order of n, and we have only used two variables here, is increasing and is decreasing. So space complexity becomes order of one, which is the optimized solution. Here, one more important thing. Many beginners try checking increasing and decreasing separately. That makes two different loops. but here we are checking both conditions together in a single traversal, which makes the solution cleaner and more efficient. So this was the complete explanation of LeetCode question number 896 monotonic array. Here we covered problem understanding, increasing versus decreasing logic, code explanation, and complexity analysis. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which LeetCode problem you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.